Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. This here is my old cast iron boiler. It heats my home. It also heats all of our hot water, but it's big, it's heavy, it's noisy, and it's not as efficient as modern boilers. Now, see that big piece of black painted plywood behind me? In a few hours, it's going to have hanging on it. Yes, hanging. Think about that. A brand new State Proline XE Combi boiler. Wait until you see the difference. The State Proline XE Combi boiler, an instantaneous water heater, leads the industry in efficiency, reliability, and space savings. It's 95% efficient, meaning very little heat is wasted. The high efficiency rating qualifies it for many local energy and eco rebates. My new State Combi boiler delivers immediate hot water to my faucets and showers. It also creates the hot water that circulates through my radiant heating pipes that heat each room in my home. Contractors love this combination boiler water heater because it's easy to install and service. The easy open cabinet door requires no tools to open. The State Combi boiler sports all sorts of technology that minimizes the time to deliver hot water, and it prevents pockets of cold water in the hot water lines if you turn your hot water on and off frequently. This Combi boiler only heats water as needed. The burner only ignites if my home needs heat or if I turn on a hot water faucet. This eliminates the need for hot water storage tanks. This dandy wall-hung boiler delivers up to 4.8 gallons of hot water for showers and cleaning, raising the temperature of the water 77 degrees. This means you'll have nice hot showers on the coldest winter day. The State Combi boiler takes up less space than a traditional tank water heater. It's perfect for closets and other small rooms. The user-friendly display communicates in plain English, not cryptic codes. It's easy for you to see what's going on. I love that my new boiler comes with a 10-year warranty on the heat exchanger and a 5-year warranty on all other parts. Isn't this new State Proline XE Combi boiler amazing? Who would ever think a wall-hung boiler like this could heat an entire home as well as provide all the hot water? I know I'm going to love mine, and I think you're going to love your new Combi boiler as well.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.